Okay guys, so we will unboxing a toolbox for my new work today. I just bought this toolbox, which is it was 759, and because there's a sale, so I just bought it 529, so less 200. And I need to buy my new toolbox because I have a new work. So the company is not providing a toolbox for us, and because here in New Zealand, usually all the companies, they are not providing your tools to use, so you have to buy your own. But right now, my previous work, which I'm still work there, I have the tools are mine, but the toolbox is theirs. They gave me a new toolbox, but if I left the company, I need to give them back the toolbox. Okay, so that's why I bought my own toolbox, because I have my new job or new company that I think I think I start to work this next month. Okay, so this is it. This is my toolbox. That is the picture. Okay.